What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a InvestorLift tutorial. InvestorLift is the #1 platform and #1 system to use when it comes to selling your real estate wholesale deals. InvestorLift is a disposition platform that gives you access to over 4 million active cash buyers across the country. InvestorLift has been a game changer for my wholesaling real estate business. Before we started using InvestorLift, our average assignment fee was around $15,000. The year when we started using InvestorLift, our average assignment fee went up to $27,000. So not only does InvestorLift help us sell more deals, it also helps us make more money on each and every deal because we have access to way more buyers. 4 million active cash buyers across the country. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you and show you the power of InvestorLift. Now guys, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go down below, hit the red button and subscribe. And as a thank you for joining this video, I want to give you a free gift before we get started. If you go to jacobblank.com/free, you're going to be able to download my purchase contract, my assignment contract, and my cold calling script for wholesaling for 100% free. There will be a link down below in the description for that. Also, there will be a link down below in the description for a discount on InvestorLift. So make sure you sign up for InvestorLift with the link down below in the description. Now that we're logged into InvestorLift, we are at the dashboard. This shows us all our deals that we have in the pipeline, how many new buyers we have, how many email metrics have been sent, right? So how many emails have we sent to buyers, how many have been delivered, and how many emails have been opened of deals that we've blasted out to buyers through email. Next, we have our users section. That's where we store all our team members and create logins for them so that way we can have each one of our team members have access to our InvestorLift account. Next, we have leads. This is where we store leads of buyers. Next, we have God mode. Guys, God mode is a complete game changer when it comes to selling wholesale deals. Let me give you an example. I can search up any property that we're trying to sell, and what I can do is I can search that property in God mode. And what it's going to do is it's going to give me every property in the area that has been flipped. So for flips, I can look at every property in a mile radius that buyers have flipped, and it's going to give me contact information for those buyers. And it's also going to tell me what they bought the deal for and how much they made and what did they sell it for. This way I know they're buying deals for $273K. So if I have my deal under contract for $250 and it's a similar house to this one, I can go to this buyer and just call them up and sell them the deal for $273 and make a $23,000 assignment fee. God mode is pointing out and directing you to the exact cash buyer for your deal, and the list just goes on and on and on of buyers that are in the area actively buying. Now if we want to buy and hold investor, we simply flip to buy and hold. We apply that search, and now we're going to have buy and hold investors in the area. We can call these buyers up. These are buyers that have bought properties at a discount and then held onto it and rented it out, and they pay more for properties. Buy and hold investors pay more for properties. So we can call these buyers up and go ahead and try to sell them the deal. So guys, God mode is pinpointing the exact deal. Right, they're pinpointing the exact deal to the exact deal, right? And they're pinpointing the exact buyer for your deal. It takes all the guessing out of it. All you do is go to God mode, input the property you're trying to sell, and it's going to show you the list of every buyer that's buying in the area. And we can go up to 15 miles away and get a massive list of buyers. Next, we go to analytics. Guys, because basically the whole wholesaling community is using InvestorLift, InvestorLift is getting all this data on what deals are being sold in every market across the country. So what are they doing? They're passing that data along to us. And this helps us do market research, like flip volume. It's showing us how many flips are being done in all these markets. So right here we can see Houston, Texas is a great market for wholesaling. Indianapolis, San Antonio, and then gross profit. If we want to see how much money are people making per county or per state, it looks like these are the markets where the deals are producing the most profits. So all this data you're getting as well from the whole wholesaling community, so that way you can make educated decisions on where to spend your marketing dollars and where to search for deals. Next, we have our messenger. This is where all the inquiries and all the people reaching out, making offers on our deals, message us. So people are asking for the address. This guy made us a $240K offer. And so this is where you'll be able to message back and forth with buyers. Next, properties. This is where you list all your wholesale deals that you have for sale. So all you do is click Create Property, and you fill out all this information to create your property listing. And then your property listing is going to look just like this. You're going to have a description of the property. You're going to be able to apply all your photos to it, so all the photos of the deal. And then what that's going to look like once you blast it is you're going to be able to have a website where your photos are available right here, and the property information is here. And they're going to be able to go ahead and click Make an Offer, and they'll be able to submit an offer directly into you. So InvestorLift goes ahead and they give you a disposition website for your company. That way you have a website listing all your properties that you have for sale, making you even more professional. And then guys, when it comes to marketing, we can click New Marketing Campaign. And guys, we're going to be able to either send emails or text messages. So if I choose email, I can choose Discounted Off-Market Property as the title, click Continue, and I have access to all the buyers with my account. I'll be able to click Gila County and click Send to All, and it's going to give me thousands of buyers to send the deal to. Like as you can see, when I go to marketing campaigns, my first marketing campaign on this deal, I sent it to 4,935 buyers. The next one I sent out, I sent it to 6,981 buyers through email. That helped me get a bunch of people reaching out. So, if you also want to send SMS, they charge you per text message. You can choose SMS, click Continue, and then you can go ahead here, do the same thing, choose where you want to target. So if I do Miami, Arizona, it's giving me the option right here to text blast 1,136 buyers. So I can go ahead and text blast 1,000 buyers and market to them our deal and say, hey, are you interested in buying this deal? So InvestorLift helps you conduct all the marketing you need to do on your deals to do all that outreach to thousands of buyers to find a buyer for your deal. Then property inquiries. This is where buyers submit inquiries and questions about the deals. So if they're like, hey, are you able to negotiate on the price, or how old's the roof? Like if they have any questions on the deals, they're going to reach out here. iBuyers. The buyers section right here is where you build out your massive buyers list. And then if you buy some of the higher packages of InvestorLift, you're going to be able to have access to buyers all across the country. So, as you can see, I can search up anywhere in here for geotags. So I could do Phoenix, Arizona, filter buyers, and it's going to give me all the buyers in Phoenix, Arizona for me to reach out to. And then as you build your cash buyers list out, this will get bigger and bigger and bigger. And guys, they even have knowledge base information right here, giving you videos and teaching you exactly how to grow your buyers list. So InvestorLift has made training for you on exactly how to grow and build your buyers list. It's all there for you to learn from. Next, offers. This is where all the offers come in. So when buyers have been submitting offers on our deals, they show up right here for us to go ahead and reach out to the buyers and decide to whether to accept those or not. And then title companies. They're going to show you every title company across the country that every other wholesaler is using, so that way you're able to find investor-friendly title companies very easily to close your real estate wholesale deals. Guys, that is just a quick overview of what InvestorLift can do. InvestorLift is an all-in-one platform when it comes to the disposition side of a wholesaling real estate business. It helps you sell your deals faster and for more profit, and it's a no-brainer to have. Guys, I highly recommend that you sign up for InvestorLift. There's going to be a link down below in the description for a discount on it. I hope this was a helpful tutorial so that way you have a good understanding of how to use the InvestorLift platform. They also have a bunch of videos on their website showing you how it works as well. But other than that, I hope you guys found this video valuable. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit the red button and subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.